Welcome to ValueQuest. If you're a homeowner or a DIY enthusiast, you've landed in the perfect spot. Today we're diving deep into a topic that many overlook but is incredibly important for any backyard. How to choose the best types of sheds. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what shed suits your needs, the best materials to consider, and a few insider tips to make the most out of your backyard investment. Plus, we'll explore a surprising trend in shed design that might completely change how you view these structures. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below with your biggest shed-related question. Let's start with the basics. Why do you even need a shed? Sheds can serve multiple purposes, from practical storage solutions to aesthetic enhancements for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to store tools, set up a workshop, or even create a cozy garden retreat, the right shed can make all the difference. But with so many options on the market, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we've got you covered. The first thing to consider is the material. Sheds typically come in three main types: wood, metal, and resin, or plastic. Each has its own set of pros and cons. Wooden sheds, for instance, are classics. They're durable, customizable, and have a natural look that blends seamlessly into most backyards. However, they require regular maintenance, think sealing, staining, or painting to keep them weather-resistant. If you're someone who loves a bit of DIY and doesn't mind the upkeep, wooden sheds are an excellent choice. On the other hand, metal sheds are the workhorses of backyard storage. They're incredibly durable, resistant to pests, and relatively low maintenance. However, they can be prone to rust if not treated properly, and they might not offer the same visual appeal as a wooden shed. Metal sheds are great for people prioritizing function over form. Think tool storage or a safe place for your lawn equipment. Finally, resin or plastic sheds have gained popularity in recent years. They're lightweight, easy to assemble, and often come with built-in UV resistance, making them perfect for sunny climates. They're also virtually maintenance-free. While they may not have the charm of wood or the ruggedness of metal, they're a practical, cost-effective option for many homeowners. Later in this video, we'll discuss an innovative twist in resin shed designs that's taking the market by storm, so stay tuned. Once you've chosen a material, the next big decision is size. What's the best size shed for your backyard? It all depends on your needs and the available space. If you have a smaller yard, a compact 6x8 shed might be all you need for basic storage. On the other hand, if you're dreaming of a full-scale workshop or need space for larger equipment, a 10x12 or even 12x16 shed might be a better fit. Always measure your available space carefully, and consider factors like local building codes or homeowners association restrictions before making your decision. Now let's talk style. While sheds are often viewed as purely functional, the right design can enhance your backyard's overall aesthetic. Modern sheds come in a variety of styles, from traditional gable roofs to sleek, minimalist, flat roof designs. You can even customize features like windows, doors, and paint colors to match your home's architecture. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space, a stylish shed can double as a focal point in your backyard design. But what about cost? Budget plays a significant role in determining the type of shed you choose. Wooden sheds are often the most expensive upfront, followed by metal and then resin sheds. However, it's crucial to consider long-term costs, including maintenance and repairs. Investing in a slightly more expensive, high-quality shed can save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent fixes or replacements. If you're on a tighter budget, look out for seasonal sales or consider purchasing a shed kit, which can be a more affordable way to get a high-quality structure. Another factor that's easy to overlook is the shed's foundation. A solid foundation can extend the life of your shed and protect it from moisture damage. Concrete slabs, gravel pads, or even treated wood bases are popular options. Choose a foundation that's compatible with your shed's material and size to ensure stability and longevity. Now here's the part you've been waiting for: the surprising trend in shed design. Did you know that sheds are no longer just for storage? Increasingly, homeowners are transforming them into she sheds, man caves, or even fully functional home offices. With more people working remotely, the demand for multifunctional sheds has skyrocketed. Imagine having a quiet, dedicated space in your backyard for work, hobbies, or simply unwinding. Some companies even offer prefabricated sheds with insulation, electrical wiring, and ventilation, making the dream of a backyard retreat easier than ever to achieve. Sheds can also serve as gardening hubs. You can install shelving for pots, seeds, and tools, and even add a small potting bench to make it a functional space for plant care. If you're into sustainable living, consider a shed with a green roof, where you can grow flowers or vegetables, adding a unique touch to your backyard while supporting local pollinators. For those with children, sheds can become imaginative playhouses. With a bit of creativity, you can turn a simple structure into a mini castle, pirate ship, or cozy reading nook. These ideas add value to your shed investment and bring joy to your family. Regional considerations are another critical factor when choosing a shed. In areas with heavy snowfall, for example, you'll need a structure with a reinforced roof to handle the weight. If you live in a humid climate, materials resistant to mold and rust like resin are a smart choice. Wind resistance is crucial in hurricane-prone areas, so look for sheds with secure anchoring systems. Maintaining your shed is essential for longevity. Wooden sheds require sealing or staining every couple of years, while metal sheds benefit from rust-proof coatings. Resin sheds are generally low maintenance, but should be cleaned periodically to prevent dirt buildup. For all sheds, ensure gutters and drainage systems direct water away from the foundation to avoid moisture damage. DIYers often wonder whether to assemble a shed themselves or hire professionals. Shed kits make DIY assembly easier, especially for smaller structures, and can save money. However, larger or more complex sheds may require professional installation to ensure stability and compliance with local codes. Weighing the time, tools, and expertise needed can help you decide which route is best. Real-world examples can be inspiring. One homeowner transformed their old wooden shed into a rustic garden retreat, complete with hanging lights and a small patio. Another turned a resin shed into a vibrant art studio, adding windows and colorful shelving. These stories show how versatile sheds can be, sparking ideas for your own backyard. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap some key points. Wooden sheds offer timeless charm and customizability, but require maintenance. Metal sheds are durable and practical, but might lack aesthetic appeal. Resin sheds are low maintenance and budget-friendly, but may not suit every style preference. And don't forget to factor in size, budget, and foundation when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your shed-related questions or stories. We love hearing from you. And before you go, be sure to check out the videos displayed on your screen for more backyard improvement tips and tricks. Thanks for watching ValueQuest, and we'll see you in the next video.